Best Drano for bathroom sink. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling one of the most frustrating problems you can face in your bathroom, a clogged sink. We've all been there. Hair, soap scum, and who knows what else can easily build up and slow your sink's drain. So, what's the best solution? Drano. But there are a few different Drano products out there, and today we're going to figure out which one is the best for your bathroom sink. Number 1. Drano Max Gel Clog Remover. Best for heavy-duty clogs caused by hair, soap scum, and other debris. How it works: Drano Max Gel is one of the strongest options in the Drano lineup. It's a thick, heavy gel that sinks through standing water and targets the clog directly. Within 15 to 30 minutes, it can dissolve the toughest blockages, making it ideal for bathroom sinks where hair, toothpaste, and soap residue often combine to cause clogs. Pour half the bottle into the drain and let it sit for 15 to 30 minutes before flushing with hot water. For really tough clogs, you can leave it for an hour or more. Number 2. Drano Hair Buster Gel. Hair clogs, which are common in bathroom sinks. How it works: specifically formulated to tackle clogs caused by hair, Drano Hair Buster Gel contains ingredients that break down hair strands quickly and effectively. This gel can take as little as 10 to 15 minutes to work. After the clog dissolves, flush the drain with warm water to ensure everything is cleared out. Number 3. Drano Dual Force Foamer Clog Remover. This foaming formula expands within the pipes to clean not only the clog but also the pipe walls, helping to remove soap scum and other residues that cause slow drains over time. It's less aggressive than the gel options, making it ideal for preventative use. The foam expands to coat the entire pipe, helping with slower drains and buildup rather than just severe clogs. Removes soap scum, which is a major cause of slow drainage in bathroom sinks. It's safe for regular use, allowing you to maintain a clog-free system. Let the foam work for an hour or more before flushing the drain with hot water. By understanding the type of clog and selecting the appropriate Drano product, you can keep your bathroom sink flowing smoothly. If clogs are a persistent problem, it might also be worth considering a combination of mechanical methods and chemical treatments to ensure a thorough solution. Thanks for watching. Check out our new video. And don't forget to subscribe. Leave a like if you enjoy.